Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Ferndale Lower Elementary School in Ferndale, Michigan. My first time getting to come and visit the students and staff here. I got to do 2 assemblies today in the gymnasium over to my left. And the main focus for today's programs was on positivity, being your best self. So I started with one of their posters behind me that says, "Be the best you can be." And there's these positive phrases all around the school and just a very welcoming atmosphere, a very positive atmosphere. And so that was really what we were trying to hone in on today for grades K 1 and 2. And the students really got it. The staff as well, said that, there was a lot of value added from the presentation, that we talked about giving our greatest effort. We talked about the need to keep trying, to keep going, even if we fail or fall, that we don't give up, right? We just do our best, that true excellence isn't always about being the best, but it's about doing your best, right? So it's not always about having to be number one or getting the trophy or medal, but as long as you're doing, the best that you can do, that's truly what counts. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos, some positive music, I was able to really, hammer those points home and show that we need to overcome these negative thoughts about ourselves or negative beliefs, turn those into positive ones, because if we can do that, then we are going to start to replace any of that negativity that's in our brain and our heart. It's so important, though, because we start telling ourselves, the person we're going to talk to the most in our life, ourselves, something more positive. And if we can step into that every day, we start to see that our life really becomes more positive, right? It becomes better, more friends, better grades. We have higher self-esteem, higher self-confidence, and it just keeps growing and growing. And to really grasp that at a young age is huge, right? To understand that no matter what we go through, it can make us stronger in the long run. Yes, we're gonna have some difficult times, but if we can just keep pushing, keep persevering, that's what counts. And that's the motivation for the shirt that I wear for this assembly that says, "Keep your head up," and the words are upside down on purpose, because if you look down or feel sad or feeling down, the words read, "Keep your head up," a reminder to always think positive no matter what. And so for them to know that as long as they're all in and trying to plant these positive thoughts inside themselves, then 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, they're going to get the positive results that they want to see. And the adults in their life, they couldn't ask for anything more. Make sure that they're always just doing their best and asking questions if they need help, knowing that it's not always sunshine outside or in our hearts, that things can be difficult, but those things, we can either let them kind of shape who we are in a negative way, or we can reverse that mentality and have it shape us in a positive way. Never forget also that you're all true miracles. We talk about this in all my assemblies, but part of doing our best and being our best self is believing how special we are, how powerful we are. We all have, with the lines on our hands, the letter M. I traced one of mine here. Upside down W, it stands for worthy, but here for miracle. But we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to buy into this, right? Once we understand our worth and our value, then go and be that light to someone else's heart as well. So again, thank you for touching my heart. Hope to see you all again soon. Have a great rest of the school year. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, or you can visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.